What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Vix PT, the original roadman, and I am here in Birmingham at the NEC because it's about to get official. Yeah, Vix Mobile. We do all kinds of mechanical work, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe because I'm going to be doing and putting up a lot of different content all about mechanics. But today I'm here at the Automechanika show. This is a exhibition, seminars, workshops, live workshops, everything to do with professionals within the automotive industry. So I'm here to basically get more up to date because it's been about 10 years almost since I've been out of the trade. So from 2000 to 2016 I was in the trade, and then I've been building the personal training and online coaching business, which now is pretty much up and running. My kids are in school and I have got my weekdays back, and I am looking to start up within the motor industry again and just build something to pass on a legacy to my son. So here I am here to basically learn, not for myself, but to give you guys, the customers, the viewers, the latest when it comes to procedures, protocols, safety, car updates, anything mechanical. You're going to find that here on this channel, right? Vix Mobile, bro. We're on it, okay? So check it out. This is where we are today. The Automechanika Birmingham NEC. So keep watching. I'm going to show you everything what I'm going to get up to today.
Asking our phones to kind of tell us where the restaurant.
To power the vehicle for reduced energy use. But does this mean coated with an anti-corrosion resistance that will resist corrosion for up to 100,000 kilometers?
Well, that's it. It's a wrap. So just come out of the show, feeling hella tired now. Saw loads, learnt loads, up to date with a few bits. Today went into the Brembo seminar, learning all about EV, regenerative braking, things like that. So a lot of updates there when it comes to the industry itself, especially with these new vehicles, with the hybrids and full electric. So these brakes are not just there just to stop the vehicle, they're also there as a regenerative braking system. So got up to date with that. That was really, really good. A lot of tire technology. You know, for those of you who know me, you know, I've got a real big passion when it comes to like chassis components. So things like wheels, tires, brakes, suspension, things like that. You know, they just interest me. I don't know why, they just do. So I went around all of those kind of things. That was really, really good. I got a whole massive bag of goodies. But yeah, really, really good. So hopefully you just check this video all the way to the end. If you found it interesting, you know, like, subscribe, do whatever you got to do. But hopefully you're kind of getting an insight into what I'm doing. I am going to be sharing that whole entire journey as I build this business, the jobs I get up to, the customers that I meet, and how this business grows and scales. So if you're interested in learning more about it, just make sure that you subscribe and drop me a message anytime. I'd love to connect with you.